iJustine, and Microsoft just recently announced a new refresh to their Surface lineup. They have a brand new Surface Laptop Go, which we have right here, and they also have some updates for the Surface Pro X. But today, we have the new Surface Laptop Go to check out. This is the lightest, most affordable laptop and comes in 3 different colors. You can configure these up to 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. It has a 12.4 pixel sense touch display, a fingerprint sensor to sign in, 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor, fast charging, HD camera, studio mics, precision trackpad, and up to 13 hours of battery life. Jenna said negative for COVID. Oh my God, did we get our test back? I didn't get mine yet. So like if I have it, or like, are you gonna leave right now? Honestly, like this was so weird. We drove up, did the thing, and then we put like our test sample into like a big trash can, like with tons of other tests. Our name was just written on it in Sharpie. I feel great. I feel better than I have in 20 years. So I'm just saying. This blue is so pretty. Oh, super light. Oh my God, it's already turning on. But they're always on. It just freaking is already, like, look at this. I touched nothing. Doesn't really have a smell. Wow, this looks really good. The bezels are very small. It has 2 microphones up at the top to also help with conference calls, because I feel like that's all anybody ever does now. This is already signing up. I haven't even opened up the rest of my things yet. That's it.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
How many times?
A little sign in here.
Have you guys
touch a Wi-Fi there?
watched
and we'll have
me
your PC ready
do
for all
this
you plan
same
to do.
setup? I'm just wondering. A little sign in here, a little sign in there. This is how I dust it. Okay, we're gonna do fingerprint we're gonna use our finger. I can't talk. We're going to scan my finger now. Yeah, check this out. Check me out. Oh, it feels so nice. It's a nice touch. We are now all set up. This color scheme of this laptop is really, really beautiful. It's like a nice kind of light blue. They call it an ice blue, which I think is pretty much a perfect name for it. The screen is really, really pretty. The fact that there's very small bezels, there's a lot of screen real estate inside of this, whereas I feel like a lot of laptops, especially this size and for this price point, you usually will be losing a lot of screen real estate because of those bezels. And hello, touchscreen. Let's go to a website. Oh, yes, here we go. This is my fresh new video that I just posted on YouTube. I mean, it looks really good because like we shot it. So obviously, you know, look at our little room. This is where we are right now. I'm sitting right here. The sound, let's see the sound. Let's turn these all the way up.
We're shooting after the sun went down. We're like, man, it looks really great in here. We now have controlled lighting, and I also have somebody coming to paint this wall.
Let's listen to a royalty-free song. I need some bass. Oh yeah. Seems pretty solid for a very small, I don't even know where the speakers are. Where are you? It's a mystery. Oh, here you are, there you are. You're coming from inside here. Sounds nice. So I mean, obviously these speakers are inside of a very small little device. I mean, it's not gonna replace some high quality headphones or speakers, but for what it is, I think they sound pretty good. What I really wanna test out is the camera on this. We're now recording, let's act like we're on a conference call. Okay, hold on a second. Can everybody hear me okay? Can everybody hear me? You can? Great. Okay, so today we're going to be discussing a lot of very important matters. The matters that matter are the ones that we're going to be discussing, and those are the only ones that we're going to be discussing. Does anybody have any questions? No? Great. I'll see you later. That's how the calls should go. Let's see what we just made. We're now recording. Let's act like we're on a conference call. Okay, hold on a second. Can everybody hear me okay? Can everybody hear me? You can? Great. Okay, so today we're discussing a lot of... That sounds really, really good. I feel like anytime you're recording on smaller laptops or devices like this, like the audio is not good. There's 2 stereo microphones up here at the top, which I feel like really make a huge difference. Let me load up the Xbox app and let's see if we can play a game or two. I'm so hyped up about Xbox Game Pass, I can play all of these Game Pass games on any device. I was just about to install Halo and I realized that these laptops do come in S mode, which is great if you want to be very secure and safe and have Microsoft kind of dictate what you can install on this device. But I'm gonna turn S mode off. They do give you a warning that says once you do turn it off, you can't turn it back on. You may want to think twice about switching out of S mode, especially if performance and peace of mind are your top priorities. I mean, is peace of mind ever my top priority? No. So let's remove S mode and install some games. Okay, so I'm testing out playing Halo Reach on the Surface Laptop Go. Jenna, you've been playing this too.
I have. I've been playing
What are you playing?
Minecraft Dungeon.
This is actually running surprisingly well. I mean, because this laptop isn't optimized for gaming, but guess what? I'm gaming.
Oh, it's too.
Fans are running a little bit, but... Hi, Maddie! Do you want to come up here, buddy? No? Okay. Obviously, if you're getting this laptop, this isn't going to be something that you're buying for gaming, but, you know, just to be able to know that it is able to handle some gameplay, it's getting the job done. My gaming taste buds have been quenched. My gaming thirsty for gaming. Oh man, we are in freaking battle now. Oh, you guys are all going this way. It's fine. Oh no, you're not. You're just slow. God, Halo is such a great game. I can't wait for Halo Infinite. All right, gaming test is complete, and guess what? It was quite successful. So that makes me really excited because this is so nice, small, light, and compact that if I am traveling, just to know that I'll be able to get my gaming fix, I'll be able to know, and now I know, and now you know. I just want to give you guys a quick look at the new Surface Go laptop. I'm such a huge fan of all of the things Surface, so I'm excited to get a chance to check this out and use this a little bit more. If you guys would like more information, I'll put a link in the description, and a huge thank you to Microsoft for sending me one of these to check out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You smell like a dirty dog.
It doesn't smell good. It's not been a good smell.